Now it is to start the 6 points of this chapter, English grammar, subject verb agreement, point number 6. According to point number 6, we have to learn that when a sentence starts with there, when a sentence starts with there is a boy, there is a pen, there is a the verb agrees with the number of the nouns that follows the verb. The verb agrees with the number of the nouns that follows the verb. Example. Example. Example is, there is no leaf on the tree. There is no leaf on the tree. According to this example, the verb agrees with the noun followed by there. Sentence starts with there, the verb agrees. The verb agrees. The verb agrees with the number of the nouns. With the number of the nouns. That follows the verb. So the number of the noun here is singular. So the verb agrees in singular form. यहाँ जो नाउन आएगी, जो उनका नंबर होगा, उस नंबर के अनुसार यहाँ पर वर्ब फिक्स होगी. यहाँ प्लूरल होगा तो यहाँ पर भी प्लूरल होगा. यहाँ सिंगुलर है इसलिए सिंगुलर हुआ. सेकंड एग्जांपल, देयर वेयर मेनी प्लेयर्स. देयर वेयर many players. There. Here, many players. The noun here is plural, so here verb is in plural form. There were. So इस तरह हमें ये क्या हुआ, जब देयर प्लूरल नाउन को फॉलो करेगा तो वर्ब प्लूरल होगी. जब देयर सिंगुलर नाउन को फॉलो करेगा तो वर्ब सिंगुलर होगी. मीन्स इफ देयर फॉलोज दी सिंगुलर नाउन, the verb agrees in singular form. If देयर फॉलोज दी plural noun, the verb agrees with plural form. Now 7. Point number 7, in which some nouns plural in forms but singular in meaning. Agrees with singular. Some nouns plural in form. Some nouns plural in form. some noun plural in form but singular in meaning. Singular in meaning. Agrees with singular verb. कुछ ऐसे नाउन्स है, देयर आर सम नाउन्स, they are always in plural form. We will read them in plural form, but their meaning is always singular. So they are agreeing with singular verb. Example is mathematics. Mathematics we read just in singular form, but it has plural singular meaning. Mathematics लेकिन इसका मीनिंग सिंगुलर है. न्यूज इसका मीनिंग सिंगुलर माना जाता है. इकोनॉमिक्स इसका मीनिंग सिंगुलर माना जाता है. वेजेस इसका मीनिंग सिंगुलर माना जाता है. इसलिए ऐसे जो भी नाउन्स आते हैं उन्हें उनके साथ सिंगुलर वर्ब एग्रीज करती है. विथ ऑल दीज सच नाउन्स द वर्ब एग्रीज इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. द वेजेस ऑफ सीइंग इज डेथ. एग्जाम्पल में है द वेजेज ऑफ सीन इज डेथ. This news is false. This news is false. Mathematics is an easy subject. All these, even if they are plural in form, but verb agrees in singular form with these words. Now 7b, rule number 7b, in which plural nouns, the name of a country or province or the title of a book agrees with singular form. Plural noun, the name of a country. If the name of a country is in plural noun or province is in plural or the title of books are in plural forms, agrees with singular. अगर नेम ऑफ द कंट्री प्लूरल फॉर्म में है, प्रोविंस नेम प्लूरल फॉर्म में है और बुक्स टाइटल इस प्लूरल फॉर्म में है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू इट डजंट एग्री विथ प्लूरल फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, इट एग्रीज विथ सिंगुलर फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, द अरेबियन नाइट्स, द ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशन इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग नॉवेल. Great Expectations is an United States is the name of single country. United States is a big country. Example, United States is a big country. In this way, United States is a plural, but it is not agrees in singular form. In this way, it is agrees in singular form. Now, point number 8. Point number 8 is point number 8, according to point number 8, rule number 8, all collective nouns agree with singular verb where the subject stands for whole. All collective nouns agree with singular verb where the subject stands for whole. When the subject stands for whole. All these collective nouns agrees with singular verb when the subject stands for whole. The move has example. The move has this person. In this, the move, the collection of people or the gathering of people, it is just in a singular form of collective noun. It is used. Subject stands for the whole. The same subject is standing for the whole. So the move has. The cannot say the move has. The move had. You cannot use had. This rule is 8A, 8B, in which when the subject stands for the individual, in case when the subject stands for the individual, the subject agrees in plural form. The jury have different opinions. The jury have different opinions. The jury have different opinions. The jury has 4 members. This sentence, the jury has 4 members, followed 8A. In this way, the jury is just stands for the whole. So we use has between in this rule number 8B and 8A. The subject, the jury is here. Subject stands for the whole. So verb agrees in singular form. Here the jury stands when subject stands for individual. the jury have different opinion, so it stands for individual and not in plural form. Now point number 9. Point number 9, in which point number 9, relative pronoun exists which is antecedent. Relative pronoun agrees with its antecedent. In gender number person. In gender number person. Example is it is I who am to blame. It is I who am to blame. It is I who am to blame. In this example, who, it is I. The antecedent is I here, and this verb is according to antecedent and agrees according to antecedent, according to its gender, according to number, and its person also. Rule number 10. According to rule number 10, and the last rule number, according to rule number 10, to sum up the words agreed with singular verb, even if we think they are in plural form. And these words are words like 2/3 of, a pair of shoes, a pair of shoes, pair of shoes, a large number of one of my friends agreed with singular. Singular verb, all these words, and in this rule example is 2/3 of his book is easy. 2/3 of his book is easy. So 2/3 of agrees with singular verb. In the same way, a pair of shoes is there. A pair of shoes is there. there. One of my friends has not come. One of my friends, you cannot say has not come, but you can agree with has not come. A large number is expected of at the match. A large number is not asked. So, according to these words, subjects as a subjects we have already the singular form as example given here, and the 10th and the last point for this lesson, English grammar. You have learned the complete lesson, and I think you will learn it best online learning, and you will think no difficulty in solving the part of the grammar questions. Thank you.